Today we will discuss about circulatory system. The introduction for the circulatory system. It is responsible for transporting material throughout the entire body. It is transport nutrient like water, oxygen to out billions of body cells, and components which are used in circulatory system is heart, then the blood vessels, in that arteries, veins and capillaries are present. Heart carries oxygen rich blood, uh, and deoxygenated blood. Then vessel carries that blood throughout the body, and from the body organs to the heart. It is a central organ of the body and circulatory system. It pumps blood around the body. Inside the heart is divided into two sections, that two types of bloods are reaching in them. First is oxygenated rich, that is left side of the heart. Then oxygen poor means CO2 rich blood, that is right side of the heart. Heart structure, heart covering is of three types. First is pericardium, cover the heart and large blood vessel attached to the hearts. Versal pericardium, that is directly on the heart, middle layer of the heart. Third is parietal pericardium, the layer on the top of the pericardium. Then pericardium is protective sac and connective tissue surrounding the heart, filled with a fluid. Then the heart wall are epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. The epicardium is the outermost layer of the heart, myocardium is the middle layer of the heart. Then endocardium is the innermost and thin layer of the heart, which is made up of smooth tissue. There are four chambers are present in the heart, two atriums and two ventricles. In atrium, the upper chamber, left and right atria, separated by internal septum. Then two ventricles in lower chamber, left and right ventricle, separated by intervenal septum. Then arteries collect blood that enters that surrounded by the organs. Then the ventricle pump blood out of the heart. The heart can pump blood because it is made up of muscle. Then muscle tissue works continuous, contracting and relaxing. Blood vessels, as the blood moves through the circulatory system, it moves three types of blood vessel. First is arteries, carries blood away from the heart. Second, capillaries, link at the arteries and the veins. Third is veins, carry blood toward the heart. Blood components, that is plasma cell and blood cell. Type of the cell, that is RBC, WBC and platelet. Second one is plasma. Plasma is whitish in color, 90% of water in it, 10% dissolved. Enzymes are there. Function of blood is transport, then protection, then the temperature regulation. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, and then maintain homeostasis. It is component is heart valve. Four valves are present, and in that blood disorders are there. Liquid connective tissue composed of extracellular matrix called as blood plasma that dissolves and suspends various cells and cell fragments. Then the hematology, the branch of science that deals with the study of blood forming tissue and blood disorders. The function, The blood is transport medium, that is oxygen, nutrient, and waste material, protective antibodies to the site of the action, providing antibodies also, protection against infection, regulation of pH, maintenance of body temperature. Then clot formation. Properties of blood is denser and viscous than water, and it is sticky. Temperature is 38 degrees Celsius. It is slightly alkaline, that is pH is 7.35 to 7.45. When it has a high oxygen content, has a bright red color. Then low oxygen contains dark red. Components of the blood is blood cell, that is 45%, and plasma is 55%.